Hey, I wanted to hop on here and do a quick video unboxing on this AEOCKY, I don't know if I'm saying that right, dehumidifier. We're in the basement here, and I had one, but I started to get kind of some moisture in the corners, and I just want to make sure that we are kind of good to go. So super excited about this. This is the 4,500 square foot model. They do have a couple different models. My basement's not 4,500 square feet, nowhere near it, but I just wanted to kind of be over prepared. So I will be hooking this up to a hose and draining it into my sump pump. But you can also use the reservoir. I will show you that. Sorry for the noise. I'll show you that here in a minute. So there is a hose here. You can also hook up a garden hose to it, I do believe. Pretty nice long cord here. As you can see, heavy duty. It's going to be the front. Let's open this. Here is a wrap for the cord, which is again super nice. Just peel this off, maybe. This is the filter. You should be cleaning this filter, all right? Don't forget to clean that on your dehumidifier. All dehumidifiers that I have seen have it. So make sure you clean your dehumidifier. My goodness. All right. This is gonna be the reservoir, I'm assuming here. Nice, got a nice handle, super nice. What's in here? A hose hookup here. Again, I'm going to use the hose. So that right there is the outlet. You can connect. Sorry, I don't have a tripod this short. You can connect this hose that it came with. This is maybe 6 feet-ish, right here. All right, so I lied. So if you want to hook up a hose, you will still use a garden hose. You will still use that plastic hose that it came with, connect it just like I did right there, and then it does come with the attachment, that blue thing right there, that will connect it to a garden hose. So I will show you what that looks like right here. I do need to straighten this out. You want it flowing downhill, obviously, but right there, super easy to connect to that garden hose. It even has a quick release for it. I gotta straighten that out. I'll probably put a weight on it, but super easy. Very impressed with this overall. It can go down to, I have it at 40%. That's the lowest it can go. So yeah, thanks for watching. Good luck.